Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to run LinkedIn ads. So open your account. So create new one LinkedIn ad account. Type your name, your country and your page with your account optional. So when you will complete, agree and create account. Click to create account. Yep. It will be loading. So do business where business gets done. So create a campaign because you have to run ad on LinkedIn. So again your account name, your country name, and there will be you created an ad. So create the button of your choice. What run will you be run? So that's how to create ads on LinkedIn run. So read out all the fillings things. So account assistant and set up your inside tag. You will also mention the tags of your ads. Introducing website demography. If you have, you will set up your inside tag. If you will not, then you will be quick. So again type your username, add users. So this is how to run LinkedIn ads. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.